Happy Wednesday. So yeah, I don't think I've officially ended my vlog, so we're gonna keep going, and whatever ends up in here ends up in here. And if I do decide to start a new vlog out of this, what's up guys, it's your girl NEESYRAY, and I am back with another vlog with all these marks on my face because your girl been stressed out and my skin is acting crazy because of the stress. It's stress, y'all, because I drink plenty of water. It's definitely stress. But yeah, so I have to take a picture, which with the way my head look, really don't want to do that, but I have to take a picture for a badge that I'm getting. And y'all, now I gotta do my face. I had no intention to put on makeup today. I ain't worn makeup in like 2 days now. Like, I've been like real off wearing makeup. And yeah, so let's get to it. I'm going to make a TikTok out of this because why not? Why not? You might as well get some content in while we doing the face. So I'm going to do that. And I will show y'all the finished results because it's probably not going to be anything too wild because of the type of idea it is. It's going to be very, very, very neutral. So I will be back. All right, y'all, so I am finished with my content creation as well as taking that picture that I need to take. But y'all, I still have not worn this dress, and like the video for it is so old. Like, I filmed a video for this oh my gosh, I've had this dress for like 2 years. I had this dress in 2021. Well, there are a few differences since then. So since I got this dress, I have gotten a reduction. So the top part actually matches the silhouette on the dress, because this dress does have like a body silhouette on it. And child, I don't know who body it is because it ain't mine. Then that's about the only thing that semi matches on here. Everything else is just out of place. But I have not worn this dress. I have not had anywhere to wear this dress, so that's why I haven't worn it. So I don't know. I don't go nowhere. So when you don't go nowhere, what am I putting this on for? And it's so like out there. I don't even think I would wear this in my, well, not out there. I shouldn't say out there. It's so, I don't know. I wouldn't wear this in my city because my city yeah. All of that. But yeah, so now I'm about to actually put on regular clothes so I can get ready for work. Have a 3:30 client and it is 2 o'clock. So I need to start like preparing myself for my client. And yeah, I will talk to y'all in a little bit. While yeah, I don't know what I got going on. It's a lot in my brain right now, and I'm trying to figure it all out currently. Like, when I say it's a lot in my brain, it's a lot like just the wheels are doing this, and they just turning, and I ain't like completely here mentally, but I'm here, if that makes sense. So yeah, I will talk to y'all a bit later. All right, y'all, so I am on my way to the shop now to do my client oh, excuse me, I gotta stop to get my coffee first though. Y'all know me, I get my Starbucks. Y'all, I got oil from the popcorn all down my shirt. Like, not all, y'all can see it too as I'm turning the steering wheel. It's not all down my shirt, it's like on my boobs, like, and I don't understand why, but that's where it's falling. So I am going, I don't know, I'm just going to work, so it don't matter. I ain't trying to be cute for nobody. My man ain't even in town, so who I gotta be cute for? And at this point, he should be used to me spilling food on my boobs. Like, that should just be a norm at this point, because it just always happens. I really need to go to the nail supply store, because yeah, I gotta fill my nails in. Like, at this point, this is bad. Like, the shape gone, the polish starting to chip, or the gel, like the gel polish top coat is starting to chip. My polish, I got polish on my nails from doing my grandma's nails. Yeah, like, just in general, it is time for me to, like, get this together and reshape them and all of that. Y'all, I don't know what Florida got going on. It go from being super cold to, like, now it's like, it's almost 90 degrees today. Like, I don't understand what's happening. I don't know why the weather is doing what it's doing, but it goes high, real high and real low. Then you'll have a real nice day where it's like in between, and then it gets real hot again. So yeah, I don't know what that's about, but I'm happy that Starbucks actually had my drink today, because some days I be wanting my cold brew and they be like sold out at this store. Cold brew must be real popular. Like, y'all like cold brew that much that I can't ever get it when I go to Starbucks? Yeah, I seen this picture on Instagram, or like, it was like an Instagram story for this business, and it was like this real tall girl and this real short girl, and I said it to my friend, I said, this us. Because I'm 5'8", so when I put heels on, I'm like 6'1" plus, depending on how high the heels are. She, how tall is my friend? Like 5'4"? I don't know. She's short. She's shorter than me. So even when she put heels on, she still is not as tall as me without heels. So when me putting on heels, I'm really towering over her. Like, I think I have pictures of us together where I'm legit like towering over her, because she's so much shorter than me. I'm trying to think where they would be. They would probably be on Facebook, like from my birthday or something. But yeah, she is way shorter than me, so it's funny when we stand next to each other. But honestly, everybody's shorter than me. I'm like the tall friend, and I'm really not that tall. Okay, maybe she's not that much shorter than me, but she's shorter than me. Look, maybe if she get the right heel on, it ain't that bad. Like, she got the right heel on in this picture, so it ain't that bad. Oh Lord, where is the what's happening? These lights are moving like real slow today. I just can't believe I got all these wall stains on this shirt. trying to pay attention, because if I don't, this light will turn green and I miss it by not paying attention. So I'm trying to watch the light. This light right here is so finicky, like, and it's so bright. See, it just turned and I can't get my foot on the freaking gas fast enough to go. But like, if the wrong person is in the front when this happen, when that light change, you forget about it. Y'all gonna miss the light. Like, where are my sunglasses? Y'all gonna miss the light. That's just how it's gonna be, because that light changes so fast. And I'm happy I already ordered my coffee, because I don't be wanting to wait in the line. What is this? Oh, it's a tanning salon. Y'all, I don't go to tanning salons. I like to tan naturally. But your girl haven't had time to go sit in the sun, so I ain't been able to do that lately. This, baby, I just don't understand why these people don't park right. Like, y'all ought not get these big old trucks if y'all can't drive them. Alright, I'm going to put y'all in my purse because I don't know, my gut is telling me to take everything, so I'm gonna take everything inside. What's up, y'all? I know I look crazy, and it's because I don't have no lashes on, so don't judge me. Yeah, I'm taking my dad his golf clubs because he apparently left these at the house today, so I went to their house and picked them up, and now I'm taking them to drop them off at his job. I am currently listening to Gina Janine. This is her solo trip that she just went on. Y'all, I really want to do a solo trip, but I don't know where I would go. Like, y'all know I've done my staycations where I, you know, get me a room in town and like that, but as far as leaving the city alone, I have not done that. That just has not happened yet. She called me to tell me to do the speed limit. I know to do the speed limit down here in this country town. Like, listen, because the last time I came through here, they were sitting all in the cuts. So I ain't been speeding down here like I normally do. Normally, this road right here, I push at least 80 down this road normally, like on a regular day. But they've been like out. And when I say they, I mean like the cops. They've been out. Because I'm technically going into a different county. And yeah. But I've been doing the speed limit. I normally don't do the speed limit, y'all. I'm normally like a speed racer. But like I said, the last time, like, okay, so like the road that I'm on, I feel like I look so crazy. I need some lashes, like, ASAP. But the road that I'm on, if you aren't driving fast enough for the car behind you, they will go around you. Like, they're not going to wait. They will go around you. Alright guys, so I'm leaving from out here now, and yeah, I feel like I look real crazy. I really need some lashes on. I'm so tired. This was the longest it's ever taken me to get out here. Like, it never takes this long. And like I said, I'm pretty sure it's because I did the speed limit coming out here. Cause everybody was saying that that the police were out. I ain't seen not none yet. Usually when they say they out, like, you gonna see them. Like, this person in front of me can't drive.